Marvelous and a vast thing. Just one thing I want to say. It's not World Environment Day today. It has to be World Environment Day every day. It's very important. It's a resource that we can't make. I am known as a conservation architect. The conservation architectural movement started from a conservation of the planet and the environment. That's what we have to understand. We can make another building. It's very difficult to make another ocean. It's very difficult to make another hill. It's very difficult to make another tree. And we have to make, it takes a minute to cut it down, but it takes years and years and years of nurturing and growing, letting it grow. And I'm glad we are here in this wonderful space because really the conservation movement here in Mumbai, along with the great Sham Chainani and the Save Bombay movement, started with a decision to put something, a bank, I think it was, on the rocks of Carter Road. Today we still have these rocks here. We have different pressures, we have different needs. We are going to have a road that passes by this way soon. In the form of, under the issue of development, I do hope we take cognizance of the fact that we are cutting through. We live in a place that we can't get back again once we start destroying it. I do hope we take the right kind of decisions and see that whatever we put inside helps us to grow and to really develop. This is my message for everyone here today. Thank you very much. Thank you, the RC Bamla Foundation. Thank you, sir, for having me here. Thank you very much.
Okay, now, Mrs. Danini Thakur to be felicitated and awarded by Mr. Majid Memon and Poonam Mahajan ji. To Mrs. Danini Thakur, she is again Environment Minister. She's done a superb job in the field of environment. Poonam ji. Sanjeev Ganate ji, please, मंच पर आइए सर. आइए सर. Anand ji will share. Anand ji will share her thoughts.
I'm not a politician, so I cannot speak. And I think David Cardozo will make a very good politician. So I can only thank Asif because he's been a very close friend of mine, and he insisted that I come and receive this award. Although I feel humbled.
And Madam, always actions speak louder than
I couldn't get away
words.
from it, and I had to accept it. Anyway, I thank Poonam. I'm very happy to have Poonam and Asif with us, and I hope whatever we keep worrying, at least I keep worrying them, and I'm sure we have a bright future, at least for the HOS ward, if not for other years. And I'm also thankful to Mr. Majid Menon. He's such a straightforward person. He saved me from going to jail.
Okay, now Mr. Ashish Shah and Poonam Mahajan will felicitate Mr. Vivek Goenka, the Indian Express man. Poonam Mahajan ji and Ashish Shah ji to Mr. Vivek Goenka. Big round of applause.
Big round of applause for Mr. Goenka.
Thank you, sir, for all your support.
We have with us on stage leaders of their respective fields who have come together thanks to the Bhamla Foundation to support World Environment Day.
Okay, now Poonam ji will felicitate Shama Kulkarni ji, sapling to be given by Ms. Poonam Mahajan to Ms. Shama Kulkarni ji. Activists and doing a lot of efforts for saving the environment. A sapling for Mr. Darrell De Monte. Majid Memon ji will felicitate Mr. Darrell De Monte, the man behind this promenade. I heard Sunidhi Chauhan ji is here. Please come on stage. Please, Sunidhi ji, please come on stage. People want to see you. Sunidhi Chauhan ji.
The woman with a
Big round
wondrous
of applause.
voice.
See these youth icons, the role model, they appeal to the people and they come here to save the environment. Shama ji will speak few words. Shama Kulkarni ji.
Good evening, friends. And I was first going to say it's going to be a hot welcome, but I think the little bit of rain that we had has cooled down the place, and maybe Bamla Foundation made it possible for that first rainfall to come to Mumbai. So thank you. 3 years ago, Darrell De Monte and I received the award, and it's always nice to come here every year to see the wonderful function that goes on. However, I agree that we should not celebrate the environment only on the 5th of June. We have to save the environment 365 days of the year. We have today here with us the public, that's the common man, and our elected representatives. I wish there were more of them here, but at least we have 2 of them. And, I wish to say a few things where there will be interaction between us so that we don't pass the buck to them and they don't blame us. So that we work in a public-private partnership for the improvement of the environment. So the first thing, what we need to do in our homes is to save water and electricity. And we need to segregate our waste, recycle it, reuse it in all our housing societies. That's from our side. Now, this is a question or a request which I hope you will take up with our Chief Minister, especially with the Housing Minister. There are many new buildings that are coming up where they should have 3 things done. 1, composting facilities. 2, solar panels. 3, rainwater harvesting. Now, all these 3 points are there in the rule book, but it's not being implemented, sir. So we request Mr. Ashish Shelar and Poonam Mahajan to take it up with the CM. I was hoping he would be here to listen to us today, and that we would get some kind of incentive also for housing societies which are eco-friendly, like maybe a reduction in property tax. Do you agree with me or no? That if we get an incentive like reduction in property tax, will maybe make our housing society eco-friendly. Okay, the next request to them is, and this has been worked very well in Matheran, has worked in 2 areas of Pune, that is Aund and Baner, where waste has been converted into energy. If we can have biogas plants here, where in both these societies, large societies at Baner and Aund in Pune and Matheran, where the street lights are completely because of waste being converted to electricity. So again, this is a request to our elected representatives to follow this up. The concept of Sarva Swachha Abhiyan, which is being promoted by our Honorable Prime Minister, has not been referred to by anybody. I think it's very necessary. It's part of saving the environment. However, I do not think it should be used as a photo opportunity. I wish to give you an example. On the 1st of March, 1,000 students from 10 schools in Bandra cleaned all the roads leading to the Bandra market and collected 60 big bags of garbage. It was not photo opportunity, it was their commitment to keeping their area clean. So I think, this Sarva Swachha Abhiyan also saves the environment, but don't use it as a photo opportunity. So that's all I wish to say, because one doesn't generally get us. I was hoping the CM would be here on a public platform, but I can't miss this opportunity. So thank you, Bamla Foundation, very much.
Ma'am, what you spoke about is
Thank you for all the information you given, and we know Shamaji, we're doing a superb job.
Let's just hope that next time we don't need to collect 60 bags of garbage, maybe just 5 or maybe none at all, hopefully.
We have a magician, Mr. Darrell DeMonte, to speak on environment.
It's not time to make a speech, but many people have referred to the magical quality of this place we are meeting tonight. It's right next to the sea. But I'm afraid that the next World Environment Day or the one after, it may not be such a magical place. If the state government goes ahead with a coastal road just 200 meters off this coast, we do not wish to see this place which we have maintained. Many people may not be aware that citizens maintain this promenade as they do behind, as they do bandstand, and it is with sweat and tears that we have maintained these promenades for public use. Just like we have Equal Streets Day, which has been referred to, where people can walk and cycle away from motor cars, at a time when South Mumbai is no longer being as attractive as it used to be. Why are we creating a facility which only 7% of people who use motorized transport commute to work in cars? It's a 7% solution, and we honestly appeal to Poonamji and Ashish Shelarji and everybody else, all our collective efforts, to resist the coastal road and say that we would rather keep the coast clear so that we can all enjoy it as we're doing tonight. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. DeMonte. Now, Mr. Bamla Valley State, Alka Kirkarji, the Honorable Deputy Mayor, Mr. Bamla Valley State. Ashish Shelarji, A big round of applause for the gentleman who's really helped us, the MLA of Bandra constituency. Ashish Shelaji, thank you so much, sir. Thank you this opportunity. Mr. Milind Kamble, please come on stage. Mr. Milind Kamble. Poonam Mahajan ji will be felicitated by Mr. Asif Bamla ji. Yes, sir. Asif Bamla ji will felicitate Mr. Majid Memon ji, the Member of Parliament from NCP. Asif Bamla ji will felicitate Mr. Patil from Videocon. Again, Reliance Jio will, Poonam ji will felicitate Mr. Samir Sata and Sanjeev Ganate ji, the CEO of Jio. Poonam Mahajan ji will felicitate. Give two saplings. Poonam ji, the Jio. One more sapling. Yeah. Thank you, Samir ji, Sanjeev ji, for this wonderful Jio, a new technology revolution. Thank you so much. Oh. And now I'll like Mr. Ashish Shela to please say a few words on this evening.
Good evening to everybody. Our Member of Parliament Poonam ji, Member of Parliament from Rajya Sabha Majid Bhai, Milind Kamble ji, the organizer of this program Asif Bamla, Vivek Goenka ji, Anandini Thakur, Shama Kulkarni, our Deputy Mayor Alka Kherkar, and all the dignitaries on the dais. I will be very precise. To begin with, I must congratulate Asif and his team for having such a wonderful evening here as the World's Environment Day, thanks to Bamla Foundation to begin with. Honorable Chief Minister was on the way and sudden delegation was inviting him to have an interaction which was necessary for this country and city both. So he has no choice than to go back, and therefore Poonam ji will pass the message which he has given to her to pass on to you. We are here to celebrate World Environment Day, and obviously there are so many issues which we have raised, starting with housing policies, to have the coastal road or not. I can assure you one thing, as the elected representative of this area, that we all are here to work for the betterment of the Mumbai city, and the city's betterment will not be compromised at all for any reason. And that commitment goes without saying, and on that perspective, the decisions will be taken in the interest of the city. I will not like to be very long because on all the issues which Shama, Anandini, Daryl and everybody has raised, we are accepting the logic behind it. We are for the betterment of the city, and for the rest issues, we can work together. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ashish ji. I know you will definitely fulfill all your promises. Majid Memon ji will share his thoughts on this evening.
Thank you very much. Good evening to one and all. I would not name the dignitaries who are with me here. I consider everybody who is present here is equally important and equally concerned. As we all know that the world is becoming narrower and narrower, it is shrinking with the passage of time, with advancement of science and technology. We can have a much closer look to the farthest part of this world anytime from within our drawing room. And therefore, our responsibility also grows because the whole world is becoming one small city or one small village. As far as our own house is concerned, our own city is concerned, our own Bandra is concerned, our duty begins from our own home. Charity begins at home. As rightly said before me, that it is not just 5th June. Let us again, from 6th June 2015 to 4th June 2016, we would have this in our mind that we have to preserve the environment, we have to ensure that how best we can contribute in this effort. Friends, as far as Bandra is concerned, I am myself one of the walkers on this premiere. I know I've seen many faces here, and I find that there are quite a few things which are required to be done. And on that count, definitely, we should meet someday. I am at your beck and call. I stay in Bandra. I would request my Bandra friends here, with the, of course, help of Asif, who has been very Bandra Khar Danda. We can meet and do a little what we can do to the best of our ability. Friends, it was suggested that new buildings that would be coming up, because lot many towers are coming up. There is relaxation for builders, there are towers upcoming in the city, and the consequence that which we can see, we should foresee what would happen 5 years or 10 years later. We must think of our younger generation, our children who are still going to schools, and then how would they be facing life? We have to work for them. Now I would only request our activists here, and I have told Poonamji and Ashish ji that very soon in this month itself, the Select Committee of Parliament with regard to the realty business in Mumbai will be visiting Mumbai to hear the grievances and suggestions of the people. I would request some of our friends to please prepare a memorandum. I happen to be one of the members of that select committee. I would see that your issues are taken up at the highest level and they are incorporated in the act that is going to come here very soon. And definitely that will go a long way. Poonamji is always with me, shoulder to shoulder, and I know that both Shelar and Poonamji, we may have political differences, but this is not politics. This is our life. This is our blood. This is our sweat. This is our hard work. This is our day-to-day work. This is our family. So therefore, we are all on one platform, and with unanimous efforts, all of us, three of us, two parliamentarian and one legislator, and Mr. Kamble also here. So we are all, those who are concerned with the government policy making, are tooth and nail going to fight. This is what is the assurance that I am giving to you on this important day, and I congratulate Bhamla Foundation for this excellent function that has been organized. Thank you very much and good day.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And we're waiting to hear the young, very supportive Poonam Mahajan ji. Big round of applause for Poonam ji.
Thank you. I know all of us are waiting to hear Sunidhi Chauhan ji, including
Shan,
me.
Shan,
So,
Shan.
and Mr. Shan.
Please
yes.
come on stage, Shan. Mr.
Please
First
come.
Contractor also. Mr. First Contractor, please, sir. I missed you. And Mr. Shan.
आइए आइए मेरा भाषण नहीं शुरू होगा.
Chaliye.
It'll take 5 more minutes there.
Yes.
Please come.
Very important. Please hear her out.
So I myself as a Mumbaikar and deep down loving all the entertainment connected with cause. So I also do understand the discussion is going on too long and all of you want to hear something better than me. Me too. I understand that. But I first of all would like to thank Shri Bhamla ji. बामला जी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. आप एक अच्छी विचार, क्योंकि आजकल राजनीतिज्ञ या कोई पॉलिटिशियन से अपेक्षा इतनी होती है, ऑफ कोर्स हाथ में माइक है तो हमारे भाषण की कला बहुत आगे बढ़ जाती है, बट एक्चुअली समथिंग टू गो बियॉन्ड, वॉक द टॉक, that we are thinking something but we have to perform, we have to show that what we want to do. So I really thank Bhamla Foundation and Asif Bhamla, who's a family friend, to have this beautiful organization, this event for all of you and all of us. There are a lot of stalls here. There's one of the stall is called Swachhalaya stall, which I've been supporting, and there's a 15-year-old boy who's my actually intern sitting in my office and working for me, Arsh Mogre. So those kind of people are the faces to take environment, the thinking, our country, our future forward. And if that future understands that this World Environment Day is not only one day to celebrate, but take things forward, our thought process forward, is very, very important. And I think Asif Bhamla has given them an opportunity. I really am grateful to him and I'm thanking all of you. मैं कागज पे सबके नाम लिख के आई हूँ, किसी की भूल ना जाऊं, बिकॉज अगेन एक एक्टिविस्ट का नाम भूल जाऊंगी, एक आंटी का और दूसरी आंटी भूल गई तो मेरी दिक्कत हो जाती है 2019 के चुनाव में. So first of all, I would like to thank, I can't say my colleague, my senior who's always been a strength, Majid Menon ji, who's in Rajya Sabha. We always meet for coffee and discuss a lot of things. Just now we were discussing Bihar elections and we're trying to show who's stronger. My dear friend, because of whom I'm here as a member of parliament, my family friend, our favorite MLA Ashish Shelar ji, who's taught me how to take things forward. I really didn't know Bandra, Santa Cruz car, how they think. He's really made me go through it and understand how to take things forward, which is brilliant, and he's given me that strength. Alka Kerkar ji, Shama aunty, Shama Kulkarni ji, Daryl ji, my dear darling Anandini Thakur ji, the youngest on this stage. I'm just 34, but she's 84. And that's too young. And the way she, 85, I'm sorry. And the way she puts in her effort, it really, मुझे तो शर्म आ जाती है, 16 साल की होती तो भी नहीं करती. But I'm really grateful to her to stand forward, take things forward. David, beautiful speech. Full invite from BJP. 2017 elections are coming. We are welcoming you. We want good activists. We want good people to take things forward. Please welcome. Shri Goenka ji. He's been my father's friend, but his son is also my friend. So we all of us are in the family taking things forward. Samir ji, again, Jio, thank you very much for supporting this. Sanjeev ji, Kanate ji, हमारे MLA कुर्ला के मिलिंद कामड़े जी, सुनिधि जी, शान जी और सब जी जिन्होंने ये सब जी अपना लगा के काम आगे किया वो सारे, और मेरे बैंड्रा के रहने वाले जी, मेरे सारे लोग, all the people, he still जियो है. So आप सब जियो, लेकिन सोच समझ के जियो. Take things forward. Only on that video also someone told me, see what you're saying, it just scared me. It scared me because I also have 2 children. All of us have future to look forward. People question about coastal road, people question about this road, that road. And I've been very upfront as an MP to people, though it's Congress, BJP, any political party. But when there is a development project, there are people, Neeri Foundation, IIT, everybody do a study. It's a complete holistic environmental study. Things we take it forward. I always request every stakeholder here to be part of this, and this is how our CM is working and taking things forward. When there is a project of national interest, interest of the city, developmental, I think we all should come together. Every time it cannot be your way or either my way, let's find a midway for the city of Mumbai and all of us get together. That's very, very, very important. Environment. I work for People for Animals. I've been doing a lot of cases and I've been in jail also to save cows. But I understand what is environment. I understand how to take things forward. It's just simple. हमारे संस्कारों में हम बच्चों को हाथ धोना सिखाते हैं, पैर धोना सिखाते हैं. जिस धरती माँ को, I'm not saying, जिस धरती माँ ने हमको दिया है, the being of every human being is Mother Earth. Once we teach our children, just you have to tell your children. I tell my son, you have to do this, you have to do that. बस इतनी छोटी छोटी बातें हम अपने संस्कारों में घर में सिखाएंगे. Don't expect what a public representative does, what schools are doing, what colleges are doing. They're all made out of us. I am an MP, but I am a human being. I mean, I will start, you will start. And as Shama auntie said, there should be a public-private partnership. I always say there should be a PPP project, but that has to be a public-politician partnership. When we get together and take things forward, it will surely, surely work out. I wish Bhamla Foundation once again all the very best. Just not because having such a beautiful program, but take this thinking, this, brilliant thinking forward. The government of Maharashtra is always with you. Government of India is with you. And the message for and from the CM, Devendra Fadnavis, the youngest, brightest and strongest CM who wants Mumbai to go forward, who wants Maharashtra to go forward. He's brilliant. He wants to take things forward. Yes, just for unseen reasons, he could not come. But he's always with us to take things forward. He missed the good show, but he will support your good thought. That's very, very important. आज हमने कुछ देखा नहीं, लेकिन आपके आने वाले विचारों के साथ we are always with you. I wish you all the very best, people. It's been a greatest entertainment here, but we have to learn something from this stage, that people of every political party come together for a cause. All of you take things forward. एक आदमी से होगा नहीं, बूंद बूंद से महासागर बनता है. And you know, with a politician, once the mic is in their hands, it's a strong relationship. But I leave it to it. I wish you, so it's from left to right. So I want actually a beautiful, beautiful performing artist who's been, famous, who's been strength of our country. उनकी मधुर आवाज से अभी मेरी मोटी आवाज के बाद उनकी मधुर आवाज आपके कान तक पहुंचे और आप ये एनवायरनमेंट का विषय आज का नहीं, पूरे जीवन भर का रखे. इतना ही कहूंगी, हमारी आने वाली पीढ़ियों को आगे बढ़ाए. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र और भारत माता की
जय.
वंदे
मातरम.
थैंक यू.
पूनम जी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. मैं बैंड्रा साइकिल क्लब से, बीसीसी से एक मैंडेट इन्होंने लाया है पूनम जी के लिए. विशाल एंड अजिंक्य, प्लीज कम. A request letter from the Bandra Cycle Club. Vishal and Mahesh. Okay, let's just do this very quick. I'd like to call Mr. Vinay Kakkad, Mr. Rajiv Paul also to please come on. So Mr. Rajiv Paul, Mr. Vinay Kakkad, And Mr. Samir Kadam to please come on stage. Mr. Samir Kadam, Rajiv Paulji, a bandit. I would like to call the senior of Khar Police Station, Mr. Bargude, to please come on stage. Mr. Bargude. Thank you for your support, sir. Please come on stage and we'll felicitate you for the hard work you've done the whole day, sir. You've been monitoring the whole show. Mr. Bamla to give. Okay. Poonam ji. Mr. Bamla will give a sapling to Mr. Bargude. Senior. That's what I call them. Vinay Kakkar ji. Neeraj Kakkar.